Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to clear cache on a Nintendo Switch 2. To clear the cache, you should go to the settings, then go to system and scroll all the way down to data clear options. Now you can clear the cache and it'll delete the user saved IDs, passwords, cookies, history and other cached website data, which may resolve some issues and also free up some storage. So let's click on that, then select which user's data to clear. Now click on clear data and the data is cleared. I hope the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see you in the next one.